The National Transport and Safety Authority (NTSA) has suspended the Super Metro Limited operating license for multiple violations of public service vehicle regulations. The decision, which was announced through media statement on Thursday, has taken effect immediately, and according to NTSA, it aims to ensure road safety and regulatory compliance. According to NTSA, the decision was necessary for the need to ensure the road safety and the company is not compliant, but also has implemented some safety measures to protect the lives of individuals and passengers at all. Further concerns were raised about the qualifications of the company's drivers. NTSA found some lacked necessary credentials. Before we go on, remember to subscribe, like and share for more investigative videos and more investigative information at Decal Investigative. Remember to subscribe. It was found that driving credentials of the drivers of the company assigned to them by the company did not meet the qualifications, posing a significant road safety risk. In addition, 64 of the company's drivers had their license suspended and failing to reset them to normal position. In addition, Super Metro was found to have violated employment regulations. Further, NTSA found the company failed to comply with Section 51E of the Public Service Vehicle Regulations, which requires any PSV operator to meet labor law obligations such as providing employment contracts and safety measures. Furthermore, Super Metro must provide proven compliance with labor laws such as payroll records and employee contracts and implement a road safety measure for its license to be reverted back. Remember to subscribe, to like and share for more investigative videos at Decal Investigative.